I am at 31 Highland Street, Russell Island. It is a cleared 554 metre squared corner block. Almost at the highest point of Russell Island. This is Highland Street. It's a very good street, and also on the corner of Short Street. So it is fenced on one side, cleared, not too fairly flat. And has power, access to power and access to water, and we're very close to the ferry here, desirable location. So it goes to the back of it, goes to the end of the fence there. If you'd like some more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact Kat from T. Barclay Real Estate. I'm a local Bay Island resident. Thanks very much.